So children, in this video, I am going to explain you one example of Bhopal gas tragedy in which the laws which was made by the government of our country was ignored by the employers, due to which a mass tragedy happened in Bhopal. Now children, this was the world's worst industrial tragedy which took place in Bhopal around 26 years ago. What happened in this? This was an Union Carbide, an American company, a multinational company, Union Carbide company. It had a factory in this city in which it produced, children, pesticides. Pesticides were made in this factory. What happened on the midnight of 2nd December 1984? The methyl isocyanide gas, that is MIC, it leaked from this company and it is a highly poisonous gas which started leaking in the midnight from this UC plant. Now due to this leakage, a major tragedy happened in this area. And here you can see the victims of this gas tragedy over here. You can see a lady over here. She is Azia Sultan, a survivor, and about 12:30 a.m. she said that I woke to the sound of my babies coughing badly, and in the half light I saw that the room was filled with a white cloud and the people shouting outside, "Run, run, run." Then she stated that I too started coughing and had a breathing problem as I was breathing in fire, and she said that my eyes were also burning. Here you can see within 3 days more than 8,000 people were dead and hundreds and thousands were maimed. Maimed means whose sense organs stopped working. Okay. Now most of those exposed to this poisonous gas, they came especially from the poor family, that is the working class families, and of which nearly 50,000 50,000 people still they are sick to work today. And those who survived also, they developed many severe respiratory disorders, eye problems and other diseases. Children developed peculiar abnormalities, and you can see the abnormalities in the photo over here, in the pic over here. A child severely affected by the gas over here. Okay. Now these are the members of the UC Employees Union protesting over here. People started protesting after seeing this tragedy. Gas victims with a gas relief minister over here, you can see. After that, the struggle for the justice goes on. You can see also the people, the struggle for justice which is going on. People are fighting for it. You can see the bags of chemicals, they lie strewn around the UC plant. You can see the bag, this is the chemical, still it's lying over here, no one is taking care of it. And this is the condition of the Bhopal gas tragedy. And after seeing this, I am going to explain you further that what happened, what negligence went over there, how the laws which were amended by the government of our country, the workers' laws, the employees' laws which are amended by the government of our country, how it was not implemented, not enforced properly, and due to which such a big tragedy happened in India. That's all in this chapter. We are going to continue in the next video now.